them know get you good, they don't finish. So they sing it, easy. They fact they party, they
Please, our chef, what do you want to put inside?
this is chicken seasoning.
Wow.
So this is what we call milk rice. Have you ever done this before? It's milk rice. So there we go.
Sorry if I might ask, what do you put inside? How do you start it?
You want to learn my secret recipe? Don't worry, bro. I'm gonna give you that. Okay. But for now, this is just a tutorial of how it goes.
No, you have to tell me, cause the face looks so nice and all that.
So you know you add your rice to it. This is already a boiled rice. I prefer using basmati rice, but this one is still okay.
Right. Are you not going to add water on it?
No water. Milk is the water. So you can use, see, I send this. I send the beauty of it, the
Wow.
milkiness of it.
Yeah, can see it.
This is yum, right?
This one I would like to test this your milk rice. So
Sure you will. In next life, because we're ready to do that shit, okay? Alright, then you let it to steam for some time. And for that reason,
like how many minutes?
let's say 5 minutes. Allow it to steam. And it's
Okay.
time to serve.
So what and what are you going to add it inside?
Okay, first you dice your vegetables with ginger, garlic.
Wow.
You steam your oil with your garlic, your ginger, add a little seasoning to it.
Okay.
Let it steam for some time.
Alright.
Like me, I like using butter. I add some little butter into it, and
Wow.
then you allow it to steam for some time. Then you add your vegetables. You stir it for some time, for like let's say 1 minute. After the stirring, you add up your milk. The milk comes with a little bit of coconut seasoning in it, and then you
Okay.
steam it together. Then pour it like the one we did just now. Then you give it some time. After 5 minutes, when it's ready, it's ready to serve.
Wow, that is great. I love that. That's great.